Yeah, man, I want to go on over TikTok and them place to you see it. So we are bringing across on YouTube for big who never see it, get to see it, you see it. And yo, Jayden, Gerald, Image and Dolly, not tell no line. I say, yo, them prank fake and thing, you see it. And you don't know most prank always fake still. I not tell them, I not style Image and Dolly thing, you see it, but you don't know. Prank them when you watch them, you can say them fake and them because something they you see it. Yeah, man, but you don't know I feel them style and how they make money, so you can't do fight that you see it and Jayden might talk up something, but Jayden go too low with the thing all the while. For the other day, I see me that a guy on TikTok live all them something. I'm not too like them style, you see it, Jayden. Yeah, man, but Image and Dolly, they have burn a fire upon him, you see it. Yeah, man, so we're going to see that video there. And yo,
Image and Dolly don't feel like we are blood clot idiot. You feel like we are fucking idiot with them prank there. You feel like we are blood clot idiot. You think I saw we fool? All night blood clot Chinese shop we can see something realer than blood clot Europe.
Only not have to subscribe. Ali Brown, are you DP not drag down nothing? Because you're so you're ugly. I don't know. To all you're ugly, I not even remember the name of me call a while ago. You don't even have up a DP.
Major, your mother pussy and fuckery. And that's why
you don't even. Yo, you see people that I'm the DP who don't talk to me because guess what? I can't just argue with ghosts. Why don't want me argue with ghosts? You not see my face, I see back for the face. Set a good DP, you know. Somebody say get them cream done. One thing, my cream never done. My cream never done. For my next video, if my video fake. From your comment the first time you say my video fake, you have to unfucking subscribe.
Every comment we make a money in there.
We still a win over there.
We make money.
We still a win over there. I'm sorry, I never have the video for playing no man. Somebody lend me them for. No, it never send panny. Jesus Christ. Why me never check? I try image phone me do it panny no. LZ go suck back your mother. LZ, I want you chuck to your mother body and drop to her pussy.
No, LV say when he movie.
So because guess what? Get in. It no matter anything at all when me do. Fake Dolly, fake Jayden. I tour with fake in this bomber clot, yeah. Savage, thank you. I did tour with fake it. Remember fake it. Remember saying prank on the way there for get money out on the pocket. Remember good. Yes, Jayden have to go down. I say pretty than deal with him, you see. I see diamond deal. Jayden, you know say a whole heap of people eat up on the app, you know, brother. A whole heap of people eat up on TikTok. Me not have so much haters. Me don't have so much haters, believe me. See what that smaddy has say.
yeah, man, I don't know what go on the world dogs still. I don't tell no lie. I don't know what kind of loyalty him want from the man them son. If him loyalty come like a man or woman thing, you see it. Yeah, man, so I'm not too like world dog style as a man still. You see me? Yeah, man, every minute you have something to say about the next TikToker. Everybody, yeah, move like a yeah, God pan the thing. You see it? And evil boss, they are speaking mind. You see it? For you don't know evil boss and world dog, them not too really good. You see it? So you don't know, say, more come out and speak in mind. You see it? So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload. You see it? You also can follow me over Instagram at Sunday and Bones TV. You see it? And the man for us and the woman for us live good. You see it? And you don't know all Image and Dolly and Jayden and the whole of them. You see Jayden, we forward and make on the boss to say, yeah, man, for we not to win at it.
No. Views don't matter, and that one I understand. No. Logics. You know, say nobody else on the team but you and your son. I go keep work up. What is on the aim? Wanna aim? What are on the aim? What are on the aim then? Why they will keep work up and call Ali? I'm gonna call Austin. Because nobody in Jamaica ranking have the team. I call Ali and Austin. I'm gonna call all of them. I'm gonna call everybody when you say them. Why you never call them? Because nobody in Jamaica has been have the team. Nobody is in Jamaica have the team. On this for stop bridging. I'ma see you do live and say you apologize to your people them. You apologize to ex-gang, no problem. But what about the people in name when you call on this? Them not forget apology too? You're too big for that. Because if me do something still me for apologize to my people because them not gonna like my behavior. But what about the people when you call up name, when you call up and I say this, them not deserve an apology too? On over there with him and a chat of me, I'm a baby man, I'm a family bro. With carelessness for them people that don't know nothing about me, brother. I mean, if you come this morning and just say, yo, make it pass. Because only not like when people talk about the family. Because and I said, no man, because no, hold on and laugh and say nobody not over able, you know. Members of the hold on and laugh for me. And I said, nobody not over able people them gone. And when something starts on the front, you see the smoke come have. And I said, no man, this unbelievable. Like what the fuck? Now PayPal people. Able to fuck people. And Ray. No involve my family, no utter, no my baby mother, other people. No do that, bro. Because I'm a sister, you love your woman so much, bro. Me not have the heart if you go talk about your woman, bro. Me not going to do that. Me not going to do that, bro. Me not going to do that, none at all. I am grown. I am so grown. It no matter where you want to come out and say again, you could have said the worst of things. Just know, say, in your heart, you still respect Abel. Just know that. In your heart right now, me know, say, yeah, say, boy, I'm a rate Abel, I'm a respect Abel. I know why. I know why you think you're afraid, I'm afraid of you. Nope. You don't come out of my comment section like so I have no bumbo clad sense. Is nobody a trouble Sicily? What the fuck do you know? You hear me a chat, you hear me a talk about Sicily? When you come out of my bumbo clad comment section and go if you not come from. Him said him and him son alone have team. I will come out of him mouth. I am not belittling Sicily or nothing. When you come out of my bumbo clad comment section like so I have no sense. Fucking idiot. You hear me a business Sicily? I'm not me a Sicily and I have nothing. Me and Swiss not have nothing. Swiss not say nothing bad about me. When you move like someone have the reasonability. When you move like someone have the reasonability. Me and Swiss not have nothing. Fucking idiot. If somebody say him and him son alone have team, I can say the same thing. What the fuck? What you mean? You reach about being mother rich and this and that and rich and this, brother. And I talk about mother queen and what you say because your mother queen will no farmer argument. And I don't say nothing wrong. What was I wrong? What did I say wrong? I look out for my people. The woman, brother, have cancer. And we are the woman support everybody in the Jamaica community. She shoot down places. Not only for me. I don't stop nobody, my people and family from support nobody. The woman have GoFundMe for her brother. How would it look for her to keep on a go around the app and I send give plus a look support for her brother cancer? I don't say nothing wrong to the woman. And I talk about me name woman front and all these things. And knowing I hear me say your name front. And knowing that you may call your body man pan lie.
Telling you know, between me and you know, come here and chat mix up World Dog and Able not really like one another, you know.
Me know.
World Dog and Able not really like one another. Make me tell you if you don't know, come my mouth boss.
Me know a lot of
World
time.
Dog and Able not like one another because two of them feel like them are king.
Some see up.
Yeah, what happen now? Privately, them are some two local rivals.
I see him, so somebody tell me say Raja and Hero no good sometimes.
If it was Able big, you know, and Able will pull him own weight. World Dog not like that. World Dog what things say Able go try rise and take him kingship.
Blood clot.
Them lick the hat off him head already. So I don't know how it go. Me see that? Weekly #1, Romain has just come live.
But I not even see a #1.
And then me no see to blood clot, me no see.